Carter, as you can see, oh no! Oh, and he gets it. That loud here. It was separated by 1/10, and Chris.
We are back from CSCS round 2. Perrin sent us a bunch of goodies right before we were about to go into competition. We didn't have a chance to install all of them. Today, we're going to be doing the pitch stop mount from Perrin along with the brace and also the braided clutch line. I'm going to show you some before and afters and why it's going to benefit us while we're driving on the track and why it's going to be a lot nicer for you when you street drive your car or if you do the occasional lapping day or if you're like us and you like to compete in events. Great pieces to have. First, we need to remove the top mount intercooler and get a better view of the pitch stop mount itself. So this is the existing pitch stop mount. The pitch stop mounts are similar in terms of dimension across all the Subaru models, so that's why the ones that are sold aftermarket, like the Perrin pitch stop mount, which is one of the most popular options, is applicable for many different Subaru cars. Here we can see the pitch stop mount. The brace is meant to go where it mounts on the firewall side. This isn't very strong from the factory, and since we're going to be using our car a lot on the track, we want that to be as strong as possible because it has a lot of weight to hold from the engine. This isn't the only mount, of course, for the engine, but it's basically responsible for the pitching motion of your engine. So there you can see how much movement there is on the OEM unit. So this guy is really solid. Like you can see the thickness of the aluminum here, finished beautifully as always from Perrin. Nice logo on there. This one goes, the smaller guy goes onto the left side of where that firewall is, in the same fit and finish but a little bit larger. And then also you can see here the two bolts for the clutch master cylinder brace portion of it, and then the cutout there. That one will go on this side. Just like that. So right now we have just the braces installed on the left and right. We still have the OEM pitch stop mount in there. And the reason why we have it set up like that is to show you guys the amount of reduction in the rear portion of the firewall kind of pulsating in and out like we saw before. So this time we're going to see very little movement obviously in the back, and we're going to see majority of the stress is just going to be on the pitch stop mount itself. We're going to do a little demonstration here for you now that the two pitch stop mounts are out. First of all, you're going to notice that the Perrin one looks so much better, and Jordan is going to use his powers to show off exactly how much give the bushing has inside the pitch stop mount OEM. For the sake of demonstration, it may not look like it, but Jordan is trying to move it. Of course, you want the bushing to have some give and absorb that energy, but it is obviously nowhere near as much unnecessary movement as the OEM pitch stop mount. They include a little bit of lubricant, and you just apply it there to allow for it to not catch on anything when it's settling in and moving about. So we're moving on to installing the Perrin pitch stop mount, and then we're going to do the same pry test just to show you guys overall how much reduced movement we've achieved. And one of the best things about the pitch stop mount is that it's a relatively easy install. Really, there's only the two bolts, and for the bracing itself, you do have to provide some rivets in there, but after that, it's a simple bolt-in procedure. So Jordan here is quite impressed so far. He's trying to make it move. And with the bracing in combination with the pitch stop mount, there's very little movement left. So you're definitely going to feel that when you're driving. You're accelerating hard and you're putting the car under hard braking. It's definitely going to keep things in place better. And Jordan is having a lot of trouble making this thing move whatsoever. Can you feel the difference once one of these guys is installed? Absolutely. This is the existing clutch line. It's very similar to a brake line. It has a set of hard lines that go into a rubber line here. Very much like replacing your brake lines, the name of the game is to A, get more consistency, and B, reduce the amount of flex that's in the line itself. Ultimately, if you're going to do one of these, we would highly recommend doing the firewall brace as well. And with the firewall brace, you get this guy, which is the clutch line, the stainless steel one. A, it looks a lot better than the OEM unit. B, it's also going to improve the feel of your clutch pedal by quite a lot. You want to feel confident on your shift? This is a really good thing to do as well. Plus, it's bonus time because it comes with the brace kit if you're going to do that. Do it all together. They're all in the same vicinity. It's just kind of a no-brainer.
If there is a part that you would like to see us review and install, let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, check out our other videos and our channel and subscribe.